Before a city, a province can really prosper and develop, you have to establish order. That the investors would be coming in comfortable in their thought, that there would be no corruption, that they are safe, and that the business will prosper. So many things, but most of the reason they're really behind is to make every place peaceful. That's my experience. Had I not been very strict in Davao City, we could have made it as it is. I have to say, you guys there in Mindanao, stop, so that we can invite the investors to develop. Whatever it is, mining or banana. But if there is always the taxation of the EPAs and the employees that are kidnapped or ransom, just like what happened, we could not expect a good investment to come. That has been Davao is my exhibit.